we sometimes overlook. It stands tall, majestic, and is generous. This costume, other than materials from the wild hibiscus tree, is made completely out of real milk. From its shells, to its young coconut leaves, to its bark, to its beans.